In order to rename a WBS subheading, select the subheading. Then click on the right pointing arrow in the right-hand side panel and expand its properties, where you can amend its name. Similarly, to edit an activity, first click on the activity itself. Then click on the right pointing arrow and expand the activity properties. From here, you would be able to rename, change the primary resource, change its type, increase or decrease the activity's duration, set a target date, and even add notes, if necessary, in the following box.